NMAC launches Fuck Fear, Be Free campaign to empower Black women in HIV conversations. The National Minority AIDS Council, NMAC, has launched its powerful new initiative, Fuck Fear, Be Free, aimed at driving critical HIV conversations within Black women's communities and reducing the stigma around it. This fall 2024 campaign seeks to address the higher rates of HIV diagnoses among both cis and trans Black women, who represent half of all new HIV cases among women in the United States. As part of its mission to prioritize racial equity in health, NMAC's Coalition for Justice and Equality Across Movements is amplifying Black women's voices by ensuring HIV discussions are happening where they are often been excluded. The campaign's goals are to normalize sexual health and freedom. It aims to destigmatize HIV by encouraging individuals to know their status, as it is a key step toward prevention or treatment. According to Toni Newman, director of the coalition, she quotes, "HIV does not exist in a vacuum. We created the Coalition for Justice and Equality Across Movements to build intersectionality partnerships that extend HIV conversations and collectively advance policies for communities of color who are most impacted." Designing the Fuck Fear, Be Free campaign to include HIV and Black women's whole health approach is a perfect extension to the coalition's goal. We are working with several of our partners to extend the reach of the Fuck Fear, Be Free campaign as we launch today, end quote. Launched on October 31st on NMAC social media platforms, Fuck Fear, Be Free is actively forming partnerships with organizations to expand its reach. This effort reflects NMAC's 37-year history of addressing health disparities through a racial justice lens. For more information on the campaign and how to partner, visit nmac.org.
Black, cis, and trans women account for at least 60% of new HIV cases among women.
What is missing in the conversation of HIV awareness? The conversation is missing in general.
The advice I would give to Black women about finding out their HIV status is let go of stigmas and take somebody with you so they too can find out their status.
It's very important to know about your health, sexual health, physical health, or emotional health. In my opinion, all that kind of comes from the same place.
Take control and feel empowered, and always inform yourself to what resources are available to you. You can't fix what you don't know.
It's about encouraging Black women to live their best lives, embrace their sexuality, and remind them to get tested for HIV.
Do it for you, do it for your partner. As long as we are loving ourselves, we should keep ourselves safe.
Because I'm not telling you not to have a good life. Enjoy yourself. Just be smart while doing it so that you can continue to do it for as long as you can.
I just love this. I mean,
Great.
I've been involved with NMAC for a number of years now and was just recently there in New Orleans for the conference that they had there. And it's just amazing. I was able to talk with Toni Newman there as well. And, you know, we talk in groups, and especially in South Florida, about the disparities of healthcare and the rise in HIV, specifically in Black women and transgender Black women. And it's important to note, we're always saying, how do we reach them? How do we get to those communities?
Sure.
And when I saw this ad come out, I was like, finally, somebody's doing something. You know, and I just feel like if there's organizations out there that are struggling to find the individuals like this to reach out to, and they work in the HIV field, partner with NMAC, get this information, get the media packs, put it out, blast it all over social media, put it in your newspapers, whatever, but get the news out.
An extremely necessary campaign, and what a great slogan, have a good life, but be smart.
Yeah, be smart.
That's it.
That's important.
For sure.
Yeah, that's so important.
It's a sex positive, you know, and it embraces, you know, all parts of our lives, like the happiness and the joy, and then also also telling us the ways that we can, you know, be careful. Like that is like I love the focus on the sex positivity of it all. Like it's such a beautiful message and necessary message.
Right.